Hola meus queridos! Here we are in Portugal. This city that we're visiting is called Portimao. It is in the popular Algarve region. Hotel Oriental is the beach hotel that we're going to visit. The average price for one night in this 4-star hotel is around $100. Now enjoy the impressions of this hotel and room tour. And please give us a thumb up or follow us if you like this video. Because of the overall experience that we had here and the price value, we are giving this hotel a very good rating with 4 out of 5 stars.